Hello, people. I am so excited to come your way again. You're welcome back to my channel. Here is Rema Healthy Way, your home of healthy recipes. Today, I am making a very simple tea. And this is basically for those of us who want to cut down our weight, who are struggling with stubborn fats, belly fat, whatever the fat is hiding, this is 100% sure for you, and you don't have to struggle much. But what I want you to know is if you are someone who is having any challenge with bleeding disorders, turmeric may hinder blood clotting and it's not good for you. We don't want anything to interact with this. So if you are taking any medication for diabetes, it is not cool for you. With the turmeric, you can do away with that. And if you are also taking iron deficiency, you can be combining things together. So if you are taking iron deficiency tablets and kidney stones medications, please stay away, all right, from turmeric. Other than that, everything is okay. So you also have to know that I am using lemon on this recipe. I'm using half lemon. Also, you will need about a half teaspoon of turmeric, and you are going to need one full tablespoon of chia seeds. And also there is honey on this table, so you would have to add a bit of honey to it, to your taste, all right. Also, don't forget that on adding your honey, you have to be mindful that honey is to be added to warm things and not so hot beverages and teas and all those stuffs. It's really not good, or it's not cool doing it that way. So you will note that as well. So at this point, you just like to cover this, set it aside for about 30 minutes, come back. At this point, it's warm for you, it's no more hot, and you can add your honey to it. And you will know that your chia seed has absorbed, it's cool with the water, and it has become very soft for you, and you don't have to worry about that, because that's the reason you use hot water, so that it will just be soft for you. Okay, it will just go with the water. Also, you have to know that chia seed contain high amount of soluble fiber, and then drinking chia water or chia tea can increase it can increase feeling of fullness. It makes you feel so full, so it's better you take it early in the morning after breakfast. And as you have to know that this helps you to slow absorption of food, and as such make it it has fewer calories, and it aids in weight loss. So thank you for coming. God bless you, my returning subscribers. Visitors, let me know you. It's bye.